Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is Van Amsen with another SQL tutorial. So today we will try to solve triangle judgment problem from LeetCode Top 50 SQL tutorial. So here is what we need to do. We have a table, triangle, and each row of which contain the length of 3 line segment. And we need to determine if this 3 line segment can form a triangle. So how do we decide if 3 lines can form a triangle? It's simple. In a valid triangle, the sum of the length of any 2 sides should always be greater than length of third side. So if you imagine this, so if those 2 lines will be greater than the third, so it will not connect. So as simple as this. So with this in mind, let's start writing our SQL query. So we need to check if the sum of any 2 sides is greater than the third side for each row. So, and if that's the case for all 3 combinations, then they can form a triangle. So let's implement it. So select X, Y, Z and case when X, Y, Z greater than Z and Y plus Z greater than X and X, Z, Y, then yes, else no. So end as triangle and from triangle. So let's see if our query works. So I'm running it and it's calculating and hopefully, yeah. So as we can see, so this 3 lines cannot form a triangle. So you can see that we have one edge of 30 and 13 and 15. So you can imagine that this will not form triangle. And obviously the second one could form a triangle. So let's submit it for unseen test cases, but the logic is good, so it should pass as well. So it's calculating, yeah, and we have successfully finished our SQL query, beating 13%, so it's good. And yeah, I hope this video helped you understand how to solve this type of problem using SQL. And remember, solving problems like this is a great way to sharpen your SQL skills. If you have any question, leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more coding challenges and tutorials. And keep practicing, stay motivated. Until next time, happy querying.